Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about MySQLi limit class. This class we have to discuss in this class. So limit class is used to get a required number of rows according to your requirement. If you did not want to get all the records from database table, then we have to use limit class. Its syntax is that select all from table name. All means all the column we want to select from this table. Here you have to mention table name, and where column name its value is this is its value, and column name 2 its value should be this one, and limit and any number you can mention here. For example, according to this condition there are 10 record that will display to user, but we make a limit that 5. Limit any number you mentioned 5, it means that only 5 record you need. So for example, select all from MySQLi. MySQLi is a table name where STD marks should be less than 100. Limit 3. Limit 3 means you will get only 3 record. So there are a number of students, for example 10 students which have student marks, their marks less than 100, but I did not want to get all the records, but I need only 3 record. That is why I will use a limit class, and 3 record will be displayed to user. So I open Visual Studio Code and discuss this type of query. This limit class I used in query to get required number of rows from database table. In Visual Studio Code, just create a new file and save this file in a XAMPP IDdocs PHP course MySQL, and this is the chapter number 6. So this will be a limit.php. Then copy previous classes source code, and here I have to change. I have to use here a limit class. So connection is created. His server name is localhost, username is root by default. By default there is no password. Database name is student, and MySQL connect with server name, username, user password, and database. If database failed, this message should be displayed. Otherwise, connection is created is displayed. Now, and these are the query. I want to remove this one. I did not need this query, and this is the query. Select all from my student where student marks should be less than 100. So just open web browser and localhost PHP course, and there is MySQL chapter number 6 limit.php. You can see that Ali. So I have to use this line break. After this one here, I want to get a line break. Refresh this one. I did not need. Refresh this one. Just I want a space between name and marks. Refresh this one. Ali Faisal Fran. There are 3 students. You can see that less than 100. I want to make this one, its value should be, for example, 90. Its value is 40. Now I provide student marks less than 100. When I refresh, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 students which have marks less than 100. 5 record I am getting, but I need only 2 record. For that reason, what I will do that I will use a limit class, limit and 2 if you need 2 record only. When refresh, you can see that first two record you will get. When I provide 4 limit 4 record will be display here. You can see that first 4 record will be displayed to user. This is a working of limit class. So you can provide limit class limit keyword when you need a number of column according to your requirement. So limit class is used to get required number of rows from a database table. So after getting, you can see that this is a query. When you run this query, you have to mention connection, and then it will return object. Then we will convert into array, and then we will, this is an associative array, and using key we can access its value. This is a key, student name, student marks are the key, and we are getting its value. So this is the method to use limit class in query.